Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, Word can't do this because the dialog box is open fix. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Microsoft Word, click End Task, Restart System. Second method is Open Word. Click Options, click Add-ins, click Com Add-ins Go. If any add-ins available, select and remove add-ins one by one. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps, type Microsoft Office. Click three dots, click Modify. Click Repair, if any online repair options available, select it and continue. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.